Hola, ¿cómo está everyone? How's everyone doing today? The topic of this video is, in general, just addressing a certain factoid, or at least life's purpose. I understand that people want to be famous, people want to be wealthy, but in my opinion, people should want to focus on being alive. This person is not with us anymore. And I think the last thing that she was probably thinking about is how much money, how much validation, and how much fame that she was going to receive. And quite honestly, I couldn't agree more. So, with that said, I just want everyone to realize on this particular holiday weekend, whenever or wherever you're seeing this, that we need to focus on things that aren't privy to possessions or money. And I'm not trying to sound cliche at all. I just want to break it down to the most basic compound. Any day above ground is a good day. Any day above ground makes anyone wealthy. Because I'm pretty sure that anyone that's made billions who's not with us anymore would love to be in your place right now. That being said, as always, be good to each other. Be sane. Be compassionate. And as always, peace out.